Hey everyone, in this short video, I will guide you through the simple steps to add your Wise digital card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. First of all, open your Wise app on your iPhone and log in with your credentials. Make sure your Wise digital card is already active. Now, go to the Cards tab at the bottom of the screen, find your Wise Digital card and tap on it to open the card details. Once you are in the card details section, look for the Add to Apple Wallet button. Tap it and the Apple Wallet app will open automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions in Apple Wallet. Confirm your card details and if prompted, complete the verification process like entering a code sent to your phone. Once verified, your Wise card will appear in your Apple Wallet, ready for use with Apple Pay. And that's it. You can now use your Wise card directly with Apple Pay for easy and secure payments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.